what are the different enzymes which are there in digestion. So first enzyme, which is our mouth secretes. In mouth, it is secreted by salivary glands which are below the tongue, and these enzymes are known as amylase. So most of the carbohydrates, they get acted upon by these amylase. Similarly, lingual lipases, these are also secreted from tongue, and these lipases means which actually break down the fats. So fats and carbohydrate metabolism or breakdown, it starts from the mouth itself, and that is the reason, tip number one, why we should have much more chewing to avoid indigestion. You can come to know, if you know the biochemistry of your digestion, you can easily figure out whenever you have indigestion, why I have a indigestion, right? So mouth salivary amylase and lingual lipases, these are the two enzymes which are secreted in our mouth below our tongue through this salivary glands, okay, and lingual glands, and these help in our digestion. Now consider a scenario that we are just galloping it, swallowing our food immediately, and as a result of it, lipases and amylases, they will not get mixed with the bolus of the food, and food digestion will start in the stomach, which is again a delayed digestion. So better to have digestion starting from our mouth itself, right? Second important protein lytic enzyme, which lysis, which actually break down the protein, is pepsin, okay, and that is secreted in the stomach gland, that is pepsin, which will actually start the protein lysis or protein breakdown, and then it push through the duodenum into the small intestine. Similarly, there are enzymes which are secreted from pancreas. Apart from this trypsin and pepsin, there are amylases, there are lipases. So pancreas is very important portion of our digestive system. So see, pancreas is just in the very vicinity of duodenum, where in the duodenum the pancreas is situated in that, particularly in the duodenal loop, right? Now see, if we have a lot of fat over our tummy, you can imagine that our pancreas functioning will be partially hampered, and that is the reason why most of the people who put on weight, they will have lot of chances of indigestion, bloating. That is the reason. So it does not mean that every fatty person will have, or obese person will have indigestion. A person can improve definitely, but it is likely that if you have a lot of weight on your tummy, or definitely it is very near to pancreas, and there will be definitely a chances that there are more fat even beside particularly the region of pancreas. As a result of it, the pancreas function slowly reduces, right? So lipases, pepsin, amylase, trypsin, all these are secreted from the pancreas, most important portion of our digestive system. There is another very important portion, rather it is the biggest gland in our body, and that is bile, okay, bile secreting liver, okay. So liver, it has 3 lobes and it secretes this bile. What is the use of bile? It emulsify, it works like a soap, which actually emulsify the fat we eat, and this emulsification make it fat soluble, make it the water soluble, and it is absorbed from the gut. So if bile is not there, fat metabolism causes a problem, right? So liver is very important. There is a duct which comes from the liver, there is a duct which comes from the pancreas, and ultimately they oozes out their secretion of bile and all other enzymes into a duodenum. So the last one, which is actually intestine. So intestine will have proteases, it has a lipases. Now see, this intestine has lots and lots of, you can say, as a pump, though they are biomolecules, they absorb something from the gut, intestinal gut, and they release some of the ions inside the gut, right? So there are n number of different types of pumps which are acting across the lumen, right? So this particular physiology and biochemistry is very important to know, because our all remedies in this 1 hour, all remedies are based on only this particular type of biochemistry and type of physiology we have.